In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to digitize customer orders in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, standardized way to capture and track every order in one place, so your team can move from scattered notes to a reliable, repeatable workflow. Start by opening ClickUp and navigating to the space where you want to manage customer orders. Using an existing space keeps everything tied to your current folders, lists, and permissions. If you work across multiple workspaces, double-check that you're in the right one so the template lands where your team expects it. Give the page a moment to fully load so all space-level options appear. Next, look at the space headline at the top of the screen and click the three dots. This is the Space Options menu, and it's where you'll find tools to quickly standardize your setup. If you don't immediately see the dots, hover near the space name. They can be subtle depending on your theme. From that menu, choose Apply a Template. In the template browser, use the search bar to type Product Order. You're looking for a template tailored for capturing product details and order status. Before you apply it, take a quick look at the preview. It typically includes useful elements like statuses for tracking progress, custom fields such as SKU, quantity, and pricing, and a view that's organized for order management. Applying a template saves you time and enforces consistency, which is essential when multiple people enter orders. When you're ready, apply the template to this space. Let ClickUp finish the import so everything is added correctly. Now that the template is in place, adjust how it displays and give it a clear name. Pick the view type your team prefers: list for a compact overview, table for column-heavy work, or board if you want a drag-and-drop pipeline. Show or hide columns to match your actual process, and drag columns to reorder them so the most important fields like customer name, order date, and total sit up front. Use grouping and sorting to make patterns obvious. For example, group by status and sort by due date to surface what needs action first. If you rely on specific filters, save them to the view so everyone sees the same thing. Rename the view to something descriptive, like customer orders or product orders, so teammates instantly recognize where to work. If this will be your main hub, set it as the default view for the space. And that's it. You open ClickUp, use the space menu to apply a product order template, and tailor the display and name so it fits your workflow. With this setup, order intake becomes fast, consistent, and easy to track end to end.